Hey, what's going on? It's Anthony from S2K and theant.com. Look at this, what we have today. Look at this box. So, I got this box a few days ago, and it's something special. The box is actually this exhaust. Came in from Japan. Shipping was like ridiculously expensive. But yeah, it's a Fujitsubo Legalis R exhaust, and it's gonna go on my friend's 2005 S2K. He's currently running a Greddy Spectrum Elite, and he thinks it's too loud, so this is actually one of the quietest exhausts on the market. This exhaust only comes in the dual canister spec, dual muffler spec, so yeah, hopefully it goes well. I'll take a before and after of the installation. Jacked up. Oh yeah. Here it is. Fujitsubo exhaust. Look at those welds. Legit. Canisters. Not bad for a used exhaust from Japan.
Not bad, dude.
Hells yeah. So legit. Alright, Greddy exhaust is out. It's pretty painless. Just remember to lube up these hangers. Come out way easier with lube instead of dry as things go. Cool. Next step up is put the Fujitsubo in. Yeah, finally got it installed.
Good.
Pretty good. Here's what it looks like underwards here. We had to switch to AP1 hangers for some reason. You can see it.
I feel like it would have been fine with AP2s.
There you go. See how it's pretty good fitment. I thought it was gonna hit against the diff, but it's pretty solid now once you bolt it up. Pretty fresh. There we go. Fujitsubo. It's a good stuff. Alright, let's go. It's quiet.